Audio is one of the most important things in content creation, yet most streamers don't pay attention to this. The first step to a better listening experience is to make sure your audio doesn't hurt the ears of your audience. You don't want comments like this. This video is to show you how to make sure your microphone doesn't hurt your viewers' ears and at the same time have a basic level of mixing your audio to make sure your voice can actually be heard over your game and music. This is the audio mixer in OBS. Right now we have a game source and a microphone. Each audio source has 3 colored zones as guidelines. This red area over here is the danger zone. If your audio reaches this level, your audio can start to distort and clip. It's very unpleasant to listen to and can even be very painful. This yellow zone is the perfect area for your voice. The green area here is where all your other audio sources should be. Your game audio, alerts, music, whatever you've got going on in the background. Everything should be in here, besides your voice of course. Another thing to keep in mind is that quiet sounds aren't very pleasant to listen to either. Getting rid of that is something for another video. These audio levels also apply to video editing in general, so if you're into that, make sure to keep that in mind whenever you create videos. To prevent clipping, we're going to add a limiter filter in OBS to our audio source. The limiter filter is a hard stop for any audio source, and the audio level won't ever exceed a certain level of loudness. This makes sure no audio ever goes into the red zone, and that none of the other background sounds go into the yellow area. To add this filter, find your audio source under Sources. You can also find it directly under the audio mixer. Open the Filters tab, click the little plus icon down here and click Limiter. Now I'm adjusting the filters for the microphone, which means our threshold should be somewhere in the yellow area. I'm going to set this to -15 decibels and close the Filters tab. Now I can see in the audio mixer that my microphone never reaches over -15 decibels, just the way we want it. We're doing the same thing for our game source audio. Open the filter, click the little plus, select the limiter, set the threshold to -35 decibels. This ensures that there's a wide enough dynamic range here, so that your voice can always be heard over the game audio. And that's it. That's the first step towards making your stream sound a bit nicer. Guys, listen to your own content. There's no way around this. You have to listen to your own content and at least ask, does this audio hurt my ears? Because these days, there's an incredible amount of online content available. And if your content has audio that hurts your viewers' ears, people are just going to watch something else, something less painful. If you've got any questions, issues, or just wanted to say thanks, come check out my stream at twitch.tv/MykhoVT. Post it in the comments or ask it in the Discord. Links are in the description below. I've got a bunch more of these videos planned, so subscribe if you want to be notified of that. Good luck in your streaming journey. I'll see you guys next time.